Toads are often confused with frogs, but they have dry, bumpy skin and a secret weapon behind their eyes. They have large parotoid glands that secrete a milky toxin capable of killing dogs and other predators that try to eat them. This is why you should never let your pet lick a toad, because it can cause hallucinations or heart failure. They shed their skin regularly and usually eat it to recycle the nutrients, which is gross but efficient. Croak at that like button if you leave toads alone and subscribe for more toxic facts.